Hello, first-time home buyers. You may be thinking about building your first home instead of buying an existing home. Now, it'd be great to be able to do that, to start off your first home ever and just build it the way you want it. I know that when I purchased my first house, I realized there are some things about the house that I didn't quite like. And I said to myself, if I were to build a house, here's all the things that I'd want to do to make it perfect. And when you build a house, you do have that opportunity. Now, as a first-time home buyer, you're wondering, well, what kind of construction loans are there for me? Are there any special programs? Well, first, there are first-time home buyer grants and down payment assistance programs out there that you could apply for and that you could potentially use towards the down payment of the home that you plan to build. That said, let's talk about some of the construction loan options that you have as a first-time home buyer. The first one is a conventional loan, and for many of those loan programs, they are not going to be what's called a one-time close construction loan, where you can purchase the lot and also pay for the build all in one mortgage. In some instances, you have to buy the lot separately, and in some other instances, you can buy the lot, but you'll have to put a larger down payment down, much more than you would for FHA, VA, or USDA, potentially up to 20% down depending on the lender. And also in some cases, it's not a one-time close loan. Like I said, it's first a construction loan, and then once the home is built, you'd have to convert it to your permanent mortgage. So you essentially would have two closings. So when you do your research, and we can help you with that, you'll have to figure out which one is best for you. And you'll look at the costs also. Then you have VA and USDA. Now, not too many lenders offer that program. We can help you with that if that's what you're interested in. Of course, VA, you have to be a veteran or active military or a spouse of a veteran. And USDA, the home needs to be in a rural area. Both of those are programs that require a zero down payment. And a zero down payment construction loan does make lenders a little nervous, because they're going to be entering into a construction project with you, and because you have no money out of pocket into the deal, you could walk away and now they're sitting there dealing with a construction site. So it's not easy to find a lender for VA and USDA, but they are there. If you need help, we'll help you find one. And then you have the one that's a little bit more popular, which is the FHA one-time close construction loan with just 3.5% down. You can, with one mortgage, purchase the lot and pay for the build. And you could also pay for all of your permits. If you have to temporarily rent someplace while your home is getting built, the rent can be included and rolled into the mortgage as well. It's actually a great program. And that is one-time close. Now, something that you're going to have to do is, it's not just about the mortgage. You have to find a builder. And you have to find a builder that's going to also get approved by your lender. You can't just use any builder. The lender has to approve the builder, because they're going to be giving all of this money in a draw period to build this house. They want to make sure it's getting built right. Otherwise, their investment is going to be wasted. So that process does take a little bit more time. That's why when you're building your own home and you're getting a construction loan, during this process, it's not as quick and easy as it would be if you were buying an existing house. The other thing you're going to need to know is that not all home types will be accepted by the construction lender. So the most common, obviously, is the traditional stick-built home. But a lender might not approve the home if it's in too rural of an area. They may not approve mobile homes or prefab homes that are carted onto the site and put together. The community, the lending community, is not that used to barn dominiums yet. So we do get people looking for barn dominiums, wanting to finance a barn dominium build, and some lenders don't do that. Tiny homes, homes made from tires, all kinds of those unique homes that are you're starting to see out there just have not become mainstream and are often not going to be financed by a construction lender. Now, if you are looking to get more information on a construction loan, you want to get pre-approved, you want to start the process, you want to see what it'll look like, just follow the link in the first pinned comment down below or in the description, and you'll visit our page about first-time home buyer construction loans. We'll help you there, and we'll be able to get you pre-approved. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next time.